So first let's see the company. I will tell you the company name later. So it's a major Japanese chemical company which is currently listed on NSE as well as on BSE under the sector pesticides and agro. It have a good PE ratio of 50.51 and market cap of around 18,774 crores, having a good cash flow currently. So this is a good stock. It has a higher chance of hitting the target price of rupees 502 in the coming months. It's really a profit to keep this stock on our portfolio. So the next stock is Rallis India Limited. As you can see, Rallis India Limited was established in August 23, 1948. It is the successor of Rallis brother and also a member of Tata Group. The business of the company is to manufacture and do marketing of agricultural inputs. So in this chart you can see promoters are holding a major share of the company from 2020 itself. Currently the stock is trading at rupees 265 and has the potential to touch the price of rupees 400, and from Monday the stock will find its momentum and we can see a bull run lately. So in this stock there is an increase in productivity and quality that help farmer for additional income generation and have a better prices for their produce. So the last stock is Sudarshan Chemical Industries Limited. This company is a leading manufacturer of pigment from the year 1952. It primarily serves the coating, plastic inks and cosmetic markets. In the latest quarter, the company has reported net profit after a tax of rupees 22.76 crore. You can see the shareholding patterns. While promoters hold most of the shares of the company, the shares tend to set a new record from 30th September 2021. Currently, the stock is trading at rupees 573 and have a high chance to hit rupees 830 in the coming weeks.